Look at, we have a little visitor. We have a little visitor. And here's what we're having for dinner tonight, my darlings. Here's what we're having for dinner tonight, my darlings. I made another tater tot casserole. Yeah. Just needed to make one. It's nice and comfort food, and it's been rainy day all day with the storms. So, good. Came out, looks like it came out nice. Sorry, I'm going to toot my own horn. Hope you're all doing well and having a great night, and hope you're having something great to eat as well. And that's what we're having for dinner tonight. So my darlings, here's my lunch for today. The salad I made. It's kind of like a chicken Caesar, but a chicken Caesar garden kind of salad, because it's got cucumbers, yellow peppers, radishes. There's radishes. So you can see there's radishes in there. And then I cooked up a chicken breast in the air fryer. I put a little bit of Caesar dressing on it. That's what you see, the little coating on there. And there's a little bit of cabbage in here as well, with grated carrot in the shred of cabbage. So this is what I'm having for my lunch today. Good. So my darlings, very quickly, I just did an order for Little Caesars here. They had some new crazy puffs. Their crazy puffs are usually good, but this time they put Kraft Dinner in them or something. And then I got some just oven roasted wings, and they have the dessert. If you got the new pizza that's out, they gave you this for free, the cinnamon thing. So we got that, and then this is the new pizza. It's a barbecue. Bacon, all different types of bacon, I think, or something like that. And here's what the crazy puffs look like. And they have the Kraft Dinner inside. Here's my plate. And I'm going to cut it into so you can see the puffs. That's what I wanted to do. So there's what it looks like. There's hubby. So my darlings, I just wanted to show hubby harvest all these yellow beans. So I washed them. I didn't take the stems off them yet, but because we're going to freeze these. So I washed them and dried them to the best of my ability. And this is a Ziploc bag from the Dollar Tree. It has all like the months on here, and then you can, it also has the days, so you can select. I'll have to change this because this was for something else. But isn't that awesome? So, yeah, we're going to freeze those. And hubby said there'll be more coming. So, and we've already had some to eat. They've been lovely. So, just wanted to share that. He's done a really good job. Way to go. Well done. So hubby picked these up for me. They're President's Choice cheese sticks and herb and breading. They're mozzarella, like mozzarella sticks. I think I have shared these with you before. So I put them in the air fryer. I did them in the air fryer, and here they are. And this is what I'm going to have for my lunch. And I just made up my own. Like normally mozzarella sticks, you pair them with marinara sauce, but I just made up my own little tomato sauce here. To dip them in, and these are pretty good, but my absolute favorite mozzarella sticks are from Burger King. They have the best, I think, but these are pretty good. So thank you to hubby. I really appreciate it, and this is what I'm having for my lunch today. Good. The crust on that, the cheese. Oh my gosh, my darlings, here's what I made myself for my lunch today. I know you guys, I cook a lot with shrimp. I just love shrimp. But anyways, these are the butterfly grilled shrimp that come in a box. I air fried them, and I've got air fried the fries, and then I put grated mozzarella cheese and then put them under the broiler, and then I made my own little sauce there, and I put over the top of that. And this is what I'm having for my lunch. It's like mayo, sour cream, a little bit of lemon juice, a little bit of Dijon mustard, pepper. Oh, I put the red pepper flakes in. Oh my gosh, it's so spicy. And a little bit of the red lobster seasoning is in there as well, and ground pepper. Mix it all up. I poured that all over here. Good. And I know this isn't a healthy lunch, but this is what I'm having today. And here's what we're having for dinner tonight, my darlings. We've got meatballs, sirloin meatballs in a barbecue sauce. And I made homemade mashed potatoes. And I did roasted carrots. Peeled them and chopped them, and I put them in the air fryer on roast. So this is what we're having for dinner tonight. Good. Hi, my darlings. I made some deviled eggs. These eggs are from a lady that my hubby works with. She has a little farm, I guess, and we get some eggs from her. And so I made them into some deviled eggs. As you can see, I went a little heavy-handed there with the paprika. But these are just for hubby and I. So normally I make these for when I go to my family gatherings and stuff. Because my family really loves my deviled eggs. But this time they're just for hubby and I. So they're so easy to do. So my darlings, we're back with another what I'm having for my lunch. I made another nacho plate with mozzarella cheese. I grated mozzarella cheese on some tortilla chips, put that in the microwave for a minute, and then I chopped up some turkey breasts, meat, you know, like you would use for a sandwich. I chopped that up, put that on. I did put some cucumbers on. I don't think I've ever had cucumbers on nachos before, so that should be interesting. Then some a little bit of lettuce and hot sauce. And I got sour cream on there, some cherry tomatoes, as you can see. And yeah, this is what I'm going to be having for my lunch today. That's just like two cherry tomatoes. Looks like a lot of tomato. Anyways, good. Hope you're having a great lunch too. So here's some first tomatoes that my hubby picked from the garden that he's been growing. And yes, these are yellow tomatoes, so these are like low acid, I guess, tomatoes. So, woohoo! Way to go, hubby. They're huge. Like, that's a big one. And that one is huge, too. This one's a smaller one. That's from our garden. Yum, yum, yum. So, my darlings, here's what we're having for dinner tonight. As you can see, cooking up some bacon there. But this is really exciting. This is what the exciting part is. This yellow tomato, which is a low acid, I guess, type of tomato. This is our first tomato that my hubby grew this year, 2024. It was a nice sized tomato. I wish I had got it before I sliced it, but I forgot. I'm so sorry. But here we are. I'm going to be making toasted tomato sandwiches. So this is what we're having for dinner tonight. I'll show you when I get them all made up. But way to go, hubby. I'm so proud of you. You did awesome. You're so good in the garden. And these tomatoes look wonderful. Can't wait to try it. So here's my toasted tomato. I know it doesn't really look like much, but it's got the tomatoes from our garden. The first one of this year, of 2024. I cooked up some bacon. I put some radish on there. There's a slice of cheese. There's mayo. I put a little Dijon mustard, some pepper, ground pepper. If I had actual peppers, I would have put some of those on, but we're still, the peppers are still growing. And I got some pickle on the side there. So, I can't wait to get into that. And I made hubby 2 of these, but I put lettuce on his. I'm not really big on lettuce on my hamburgers and sandwiches for some reason. I don't know why, but so this is what we're having for dinner tonight. So we're back again, but this is what I'm having for my lunch today. I'm having a glass of milk. I made a turkey cheese sandwich here. It's got mayo and Dijon mustard on it with some ground black pepper and some of those hot spicy I'm not sure what they're called, but they're spicy. I like spicy. Anyways, that's my sandwich, and I have an applesauce for my dessert. So this is what I'm having for my lunch today. Good. Tim Hortons now offers milk tea, and it has coffee jelly instead of pearls. The milk tea craze continues. Our newest option to try, Tim Hortons freshly released milk tea. The Canadian coffee chain's version of the well-loved drink comes in the brand's signature brewed black tea, sweetened with vanilla base and sugar instead of the usual black pearls, is poured over coffee jelly. You can even customize your drink by adding a shot of hazelnut or caramel syrup. Perfect if you've got a sweet tooth. So hubby brought me home the new coffee at Tim Hortons. It's a coffee jelly. And they have the jellies down there. You can see, here's my finger here. Those little jellies. And it's got the foam. It's pretty good. He said this is a medium. It was $4.